Hi, it's Billy again from Boston Children's Hospital. I'm here with my friend Lucas, and for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how it is to get your cast off. All right, Lucas, so we're going to use a couple of tools. Scissors, my spreader that spreads the cast apart after we cut it, and we have to use our cast saw. Doesn't hurt, doesn't spin, it just vibrates back and forth. Only cuts through the hard blue part. Do you remember all the nice cotton we put underneath there? So you have your stockinette, the little sock, all the cotton, and then the hard part of the cast, right? The saw only cuts through the hard part, then I spread it, and then I have to use my scissors to cut all the cotton. Okay? Sounds like a vacuum cleaner. A little bit noisy. It kind of tickles. So I'm going to get the saw. I'm going to show you on my skin that it doesn't hurt. So we turn it on. Put it right on your hand. Doesn't hurt at all. Want to try it? Feels weird, doesn't it? Yeah. We're going to do 2 lines in your cast. One right here on this side and one right here on this side. And your job is to keep your fingers just like that. Here we go, dude. Loud and noisy. No owies. And we're going to go in and out. See how we go in and out? Okay. You're going to turn your hand over this way. Perfect. Is it making you laugh? That's it. All done. Cast saw's done.
So does it break?
We're going to spread it apart with our spreaders now. Okay? And on this side, we're going to spread this side too. And we're going to cut the sock right around here and peel this part off. Do, 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 do. And this part here. Thanks for coming in. So there you go. I'm Billy Maxwell at Boston Children's Hospital, and there's our whole casting process from start to finish. And you can tell that it is totally pain-free, doesn't hurt, nothing to be afraid of. And we just wanted to say thank you for watching.